Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Forza Horizon 4. This high-performance SUV is a fantastic addition to any garage, offering both speed and versatility across the diverse landscapes of the game. We will cover two primary methods for acquiring this vehicle: purchasing it directly from the auto show or finding a deal through the auction house. Both options are quite easy, ensuring you can be driving your new Urus in just a few moments. The auto show is the most direct way to get your hands on the Lamborghini Urus. Simply open your map, fast travel to a festival site or one of your houses, and select the auto show option. From there, browse the manufacturers until you find Lamborghini, then select the Urus. It will cost you 300,000 credits, a fair price for such a capable vehicle. Confirm your purchase, and the Urus is immediately added to your garage, ready to drive. For those looking to save some credits, the auction house is an excellent alternative. Just like the auto show, you can access it from any festival site or house. Once inside, filter your search to find the Lamborghini Urus. You can either place a bid on an ongoing auction and try to win it at a lower price, or use the buyout option for an instant purchase. Keep an eye out, as you might find the Urus for significantly less than its auto show price. To ensure a smooth acquisition, always check your credit balance first. If you are a bit short, consider selling some of your unused vehicles through the auction house to quickly earn more credits. Remember to frequently check the auction house, as new listings appear constantly, potentially offering even better deals. Once you have your Lamborghini Urus, take it for a spin, customize it to your liking, and enjoy its incredible performance across all terrains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.